if I told you there's a place where husbands not only encourage, but celebrate their wives serving strangers all night? Sounds shocking, doesn't it? But in Russia's far north, this is a symbol of trust, honor, and hospitality rooted in centuries-old tradition. Today, we'll take you on a journey through this mysterious and remote land, a place few have seen and even fewer understand. Stay with us to uncover the truth behind this cultural practice and the lives of the people who embrace it. Russia's far north is one of the most isolated places on Earth, stretching across vast expanses of tundra, taiga, and icy wilderness. This region is home to some of the planet's most extreme climates. Temperatures here can plummet to -60 degrees Celsius or -76 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter. Roads vanish under snow, rivers freeze solid, and survival depends on deep respect for nature and community. In the summer, the landscape transforms into a vibrant green expanse with 24-hour daylight, a phenomenon called the midnight sun. But what really stands out isn't just the environment, it's the people. Indigenous tribes like the Nenets, Evenki, and Chukchi have thrived here for generations, adapting to conditions that would test even the toughest among us. In this harsh land, hospitality isn't optional, it's essential. Imagine traveling across the tundra, miles from civilization with no shelter in sight. A welcoming home can mean the difference between life and death. This deep-rooted need for community support has given rise to unique traditions. Among them is the custom of offering not just food and warmth, but total care for any guest who visits, even if they're a stranger. But here's where it gets fascinating. In some communities, the wife of the host takes on this responsibility in a very personal way, staying up through the night to ensure the guest feels completely at home. Let's clarify something important. The concept of serving isn't what you might think. In these communities, it's about providing undivided attention, care, and respect to a visitor. The wife may prepare meals, engage in heartfelt conversations, and even sleep nearby to attend to the guest's needs. For the husbands, this is a point of pride. It reflects the strength, grace, and capability of their partner. A woman who upholds their family's reputation by embodying the highest form of hospitality. This tradition isn't rooted in control or submission. Instead, it's a reflection of mutual respect and shared cultural values. The roots of this tradition stretch back hundreds of years, when the nomadic tribes of Russia's far north relied on one another for survival. Travelers crossing the tundra faced brutal conditions, and the idea of turning someone away was unthinkable. Families would share their last meal, their warmest furs, and their most sacred spaces to ensure a visitor's safety. Over time, this act of generosity became ritualized. The role of the wife in welcoming guests symbolized the family's unity and trust in their community. To understand this tradition fully, we need to look at daily life in these communities. The Nenets, for example, are reindeer herders. Their lives revolve around the migration of their herds, moving their homes, traditional tents called chums, to follow the animals. Women play an integral role, managing everything from household chores to raising children. They also possess deep knowledge of their environment, gathering wild plants for food and medicine. Despite the harshness of their lives, the women of these tribes are known for their resilience, warmth, and remarkable generosity. As globalization reaches even the most remote corners of the world, traditions like these face new challenges. Younger generations often move to cities for education and work, leaving behind their ancestral ways of life. However, many young people see value in preserving their culture. They view this tradition not as an outdated obligation, but as a meaningful way to connect with their heritage. In fact, some communities now adapt this custom to fit modern values, maintaining its spirit of hospitality while shedding outdated interpretations. This extraordinary tradition offers a powerful reminder of what it means to be human. In a world that often feels disconnected, these tribes show us the importance of generosity, trust, and community. While the idea of a wife serving a stranger may seem unusual to outsiders, it's a profound act of kindness rooted in survival and mutual respect. As climate change and modernization alter the far north, these communities face uncertain futures. Rising temperatures threaten traditional reindeer migration patterns, and younger generations are increasingly drawn to urban life. But the spirit of these people, their resilience, generosity, and sense of community, remains an inspiration to us all. Thanks for watching. If this story amazed you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel stories and cultural insights. What do you think about this unique tradition? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring.